Plastic chemicals caused many deaths globally. A recent study conducted by Maureen Cropper and her team at the University of Maryland has found a potential link between chemicals commonly found in plastic products and a significant number of deaths and cases of heart disease worldwide. The study focused on 3 types of chemicals often used in plastics: bisphenol A, BPA, di-2-ethanoxyl phthalate, DEHP, and polybrominated diphenyl ethers, BPDEs. Through an analysis of over 1,700 previously published studies, the researchers estimated people's exposure to these chemicals in 38 countries, representing approximately 1/3 of the global population. The study found in 2015 millions of cases of coronary artery disease and hundreds of thousands of strokes may have been linked to BPA exposure. Additionally, roughly 164,000 deaths in individuals between the ages of 55 and 64 may have been attributed to DEHP exposure. The study also highlighted the impact of regulatory actions taken in the late 2000s to limit the use of these chemicals in plastic products. Countries like the US, Canada, and those in Europe have seen a decrease in the prevalence of these chemicals since the implementation of these regulations. The researchers estimated that hundreds of thousands of deaths could have been avoided if exposure levels had remained low since the early 2000s. Despite these findings, it is important to note that the study's conclusions are based on approximations due to limitations in exposure data for some countries. Maureen Cropper emphasized the need for more countries to monitor exposure levels to these and other potentially harmful substances to improve our understanding of their public health impact. In summary, the study suggests that stricter regulations on toxic chemicals in plastic products could benefit public health by reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke associated with exposure to these substances. Scientists keep on sciencing. Stay healthy, my friends. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. KeysDAN Show. Peace. I'm out of here.